This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make salad and grow a garden divine. First, let's get our garden ready for some delicious greens. You'll want to pick a sunny location that gets at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Next, enrich your soil with some good organic compost. This provides essential nutrients for healthy plants. Finally, choose your favorite salad ingredients like crisp lettuce, tender spinach, and peppery radishes to ensure a quick and easy harvest. Now that your garden bed is ready, it's time to plant. For most salad greens, you can sow seeds directly into the soil. Read your seed packets for specific depth recommendations, usually about 1/4 to 1/2 inch deep. Give your seeds some room to grow by spacing them approximately 2 to 4 inches apart. After planting, water gently to settle the soil and keep it consistently moist, but not waterlogged, for the best germination. The exciting part is here, harvesting your fresh salad. For leafy greens like lettuce and spinach, you can begin harvesting the outer leaves when they are about 4 to 6 inches tall. This method allows the plant to continue producing. Use clean scissors or your fingers to snip the leaves gently. For radishes, pull them when their roots are approximately 1 inch in diameter, usually around 3 to 4 weeks after planting. Enjoy your homegrown bounty. With your fresh ingredients in hand, it's time to assemble your divine salad. First, thoroughly wash all your harvested greens and vegetables under cool, running water to remove any soil. Then, combine your crisp lettuce, tender spinach, and sliced radishes in a large bowl. Feel free to add other garden delights like cherry tomatoes or cucumbers. Finish with a light vinaigrette or your preferred dressing for a truly fresh and flavorful meal straight from your garden.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.